Welcome to Farm Odyssey. Today, we'll take you on a peaceful journey through the idyllic world of goat farming in rural China. Join us as we explore the charming life of goats and the dedicated farmers who care for them. In the heart of rural China, where rolling hills stretch as far as the eye can see, and the air is filled with the scent of wildflowers, lies a quaint village known for its traditional goat farming. Here, amidst lush meadows and babbling brooks, a herd of goats thrives, their bells tinkling softly as they graze on the verdant grass. In this pastoral setting, the diversity of goat farming has flourished in unexpected directions. From modern high-tech farms to natural grazing methods, each approach tells a unique story of innovation and perseverance. For the villagers, goats are not just livestock. They are a symbol of resilience and a testament to the enduring bond between farmer and animal. High in the mountains, where the air is crisp and the sky a brilliant blue, the goats roam freely. They navigate the rugged terrain with ease, their nimble legs and sure-footedness allowing them to reach the most nutritious patches of grass and herbs. These goats are a hardy bunch, well-suited to the challenging environment. Every morning, as the sun peeks over the horizon, the goats set out to graze. They spread out across the meadows, their white and brown coats contrasting beautifully with the green expanse. The goats' diet is diverse, including a mix of grasses, leaves, and occasionally wildflowers that add a sweet note to their milk. In the heart of the village, small family farms dot the landscape. These farms are characterized by limited capital and land, reliance on family labor, and a mix of crops and livestock. Most small goat farmers own around 15 female goats, and the goats are often named and treated as part of the family. The children in the village are particularly fond of them, often playing and talking to the goats as they help with daily chores. On these farms, the goats are cared for with love and attention. The farmers follow traditional practices, ensuring that each goat is healthy and happy. Milking time is a special event, carried out with gentle hands and soft words. The milk is collected in pails, then filtered and cooled, ready to be made into cheese or yogurt, or sold fresh in the local market. The government has recognized the potential of dairy goat farming and is encouraging farmers to expand their operations. Large farms, with herds of 600 female goats or more, are becoming more common. These farms utilize modern technology to increase efficiency and improve the health and well-being of the goats. Artificial insemination is used to ensure strong, healthy offspring, and sophisticated monitoring systems track each goat's health and productivity. In areas like Shandong and Henan, Dairy goats are a major part of the agricultural landscape. The region is home to more than 320,000 goats, each one contributing to the local economy and culture. Here, the goats are kept in pens and fed with harvested crops, including hand-dried corn kernels. The goats also benefit from leftovers from other livestock, as well as grazing in the fields. Large-scale farms have permanent buildings with fenced feeders and outdoor resting areas. The goats are fed chopped green grass along with hay and grain, ensuring they receive a balanced diet. Modern technology helps farmers monitor the goats' conditions, displaying information such as age, weight, and health status on computer screens. This system allows a small team of workers to efficiently manage large herds, ensuring each goat receives the care it needs. On dairy goat farms, baby goats, known as kids, are born between December and March. They stay with their mothers for the first month, receiving the care and nourishment they need to grow strong. By the time they are a month old, the kids weigh around 22 pounds and are ready to start exploring their world. The villagers have also embraced hybrid goat breeds, combining local goats with popular breeds like Saanen and Boer to create resilient, high-producing animals. These hybrids thrive in the local environment, offering the best qualities of both parent breeds. As the goats graze and play in the meadows, the farmers work diligently, tending to their needs. The goats' playful energy brings joy to the village, and their milk provides a vital source of nutrition. The gentle bleating of the goats and the soft rustling of leaves create a peaceful symphony, a reminder of the simple, beautiful life in the countryside. The goat's milk is not only consumed locally, but also processed into cheese and other products, which are exported to neighboring regions. Although goat products are not as popular as those from cattle, they are slowly gaining recognition for their quality and health benefits. In the mountainous regions, where the terrain is more challenging, goats graze freely, using their flexible lips and nimble legs to find the best plants. These goats play a crucial role in the local economy, their ability to thrive in harsh conditions, making them invaluable to the farmers. Goat farming is not just a livelihood. It is a way of life that connects the villagers to the land and to each other. The goats, with their curious eyes and gentle nature, are more than just animals. They are companions and symbols of the enduring spirit of the community. As the sun sets over the hills, casting a golden glow across the meadows, the goats return to their pens, their bellies full and their hearts content. The villagers gather around, sharing stories and laughter, their lives intertwined with the gentle creatures they care for. In this idyllic corner of the world, goat farming is a testament to tradition, innovation, and the unbreakable bond between humans and animals. It is a story of resilience, community, and the simple joys of life on the farm. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this content, please like, follow, and subscribe to Farm Odyssey for more fascinating journeys. See you in the next video.